Hi, my name is Andrea and I'm the Senior Maintenance Coordinator. Here at RPM Alamo, we get a lot of questions of what happens next after a vendor has been to your home for a maintenance request. This quick video is a guide to what you can expect once a vendor visits. There are usually one of two outcomes that occur once you've made a maintenance request with your assigned vendor. 1. Every property has an authorized maintenance limit that an owner approves in advance. That allows the vendor to proceed with repairs on site. This can range from $75 to $350 depending on the property or owner. So this means smaller repairs like faucet leaks, exterior pest control, drywall repairs, and appliance repairs can be done at time of service if below the limit. Or 2, for larger items like water heaters, HVAC repairs, or replacements, these require owner approval and a contribution of funds on the owner's part. That means a vendor must provide us an estimate or diagnosis for your maintenance issue, and we must submit to the owner for review. Understandably so, this is frustrating to a lot of tenants because that means you may be without hot water or air conditioning. RPM Alamo asks that you be patient during this time while we work with the owner on your behalf to get you taken care of. What RPM Alamo needs from you during this waiting period. 1. As I previously mentioned, patience is paramount with getting your repairs expedited. 2. Communication. Please make sure your phone number and email address are updated in Appfolio, so if we need to make contact with you, we can do so. 3. Cooperation. Once we get the approval for the repairs, we want the return of the vendor to be quick, so be available to schedule. It is always our goal to have a quick turnaround on your maintenance requests, but we can't do that without your help and understanding. We appreciate your tenancy and look forward to taking care of you.